In this video, I'll be showing you how to get, or I'll be explaining to you how to get legendary eggs in Brawl Stars. All this event has already passed, which is the Godzilla City Smash event, but I think this event will come back on few months after it's passing. So how to get a legendary egg in Brawl Star. So once this event will come back, make sure that you access the site which follows the simple swipe pattern on getting these eggs. First, you have to avail these eggs in the shop, and then you will start using the swiping method. So once you open an egg, you just need to swipe left, down, right, and up for a rare egg. So if you are lucky, you will get a super rare, which is this. And if you get a super rare egg, you can follow the swiping pattern. So again, if you get the rare egg, then super rare, follow this pattern, which is right, left, down, and up. And after a super rare egg drop, you will get the epic egg, which is the other egg after super rare. Now, if you get epic egg, which is a lucky draw, you need to follow the pattern left, right, down, up, and down, and you will get a mythic egg. And after getting a mythic egg, you can also get a legendary egg if you are really lucky. So just do this. If you have made it this far, you're definitely lucky. And follow the last pattern for getting the legendary egg from Mystic Egg, which is 3 times on the left, then right continuously. So just do it again and again until you get the legendary egg after getting the Mystic Egg. And that's it. While there's no guarantee that this swiping pattern will produce a legendary egg in Brawl Stars, giving it a shot to test your luck might be beneficial. So make sure that this event is currently active if you want to try this. And that's it. That's how you can get a legendary egg in Brawl Stars. And thank you for listening.